Housemates for possible eviction this week.
Yes, big brother.
Remember that the head of house has immunity from nominations, and this means a Shay may not be nominated tonight. Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
when your name is called, you must make your way to the diary room immediately to make your nomination. Remember, you must give Big Brother 2 names of the housemates you would like to see up for eviction this week. If you do not nominate, you will automatically be put up for nomination. Thandeka. As a result of your successful execution of your secret mission, you have earned yourself the privilege to nominate an additional housemate.
First one is Trixie. I'm nominating Trixie because at this point, Big Brother, I don't even think we like playing like a proper game. But anyway, let's just play what's being played. But because she keeps seeking for apologies that don't exist, when in fact she would then owe me an apology, but I don't care for it because I know the type of person that she is. I'm not even seeking for it. I didn't even write her a letter. There's no need because I got nothing to say to her. But yeah, so anyway, she still got beef with me for no reason. And she keeps trying to get in between a friendship between brother and I that we cultivated on our own. But she was happy to be Mmeli's friend and want to sit next to him. And I said nothing because why not? So yeah, I'm nominating her. She irritates me. Next one is Didi. She's just in my business for no reason. Again, I think she's just feeling a little sore, again, for Mmeli. I don't know what she wants me to do about it. But, yeah, nominating her. Another irritant to me. My third nomination. I will nominate... Hold on. Oh, well, I might... Okay, I will nominate Liema. Yeah, I'll nominate Liema. Another person. Again, besides Didi, yeah. Liema, we've never really had a fight with, like, directly like this. Same thing with Trixie as well, but they seem to be in my business, and that's how things have ended up being the way that they are. So, yeah, never really nominated her at all, Liema, I think, or once I think I did. But, yeah, this time around, I'm putting her up.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Didi, Liema, and Trixie.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
Yes, Big
Is
Brother.
this clear?
Clear, Big Brother, promise.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
Thank you, Big Brother.
Thandeka, because it is what it is. We all know by now why. And then Mmeli. Mmeli because, yeah, just I have no reason. But I've never nominated him before and he gave me a bumper scratch the last time. So yeah, birds of a feather flock together.
Elaborate on your reasons for Thandeka.
Thandeka is an evil, narcissistic biatch. She's rude and disrespectful, and she doesn't take accountability for the things that she does in this house and how she treats people. She also revealed that her mother was a narcissist, and the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. So yeah, that's why Big Brother.
Elaborate on your reasons for Mmeli.
Mmeli, just that he allows it, and yeah, that's all. I don't have anything against Mmeli. Mmeli's a tough guy. He will survive the nomination, so that is why I'm putting him up for nomination, Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Thandeka and Mmeli.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house. Is this clear?
100% Big Brother.
And a reminder, Trixie.
Yes, Big Brother.
Profanity may not be used in the diary room.
My apologies, Big Brother.
We have come to the end of your nomination session.
Thank you.
You may now leave the diary room.
To nominate Mmeli and Q. Reason being, again, it's top 10, it's competitive, and I believe these two are strong players. Game recognizes game again, so I'd like to nominate Q and Mmeli because I feel that they are very strong players. Nothing wrong with them, just that they are strong players.
Confirm your nomination for Big Brother.
Mmeli and Q.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house. Is this clear?
Crystal clear, Big Brother.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
I'm nominating Thandeka, Big Brother, because I still do not like her and I'd like to see her leave the house still. I'm nominating Mmeli because I feel he is a very strong competitor, and I feel like he's competition, and he's a threat to my journey in winning the 2 million in the house. So, Thandeka and Mmeli.
Liema.
Yes, Big Brother.
Repetition is not elaboration. Elaborate on your reasons for Thandeka.
Okay, for Thandeka, it's quite obvious. She is not considerate, and I feel like she doesn't really, I don't know her impact in the house, Big Brother. I think she's just following around Mmeli, and that's the only thing that she does. So I feel like, I don't know, her time has come. It's quite redundant, and it's quite boring. So, yeah. I would like to see her outside the house because of those reasons. I have more reasons, but I have short time. So Thandeka and Mmeli, Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Thandeka and Mmeli, my favorite people.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
All right.
Is this clear?
Yes, Big Brother.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
I will nominate King Wanda and the Don. The reason is like game has changed now. It's time to fight for survival. That's all.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
King Wanda and the Don.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
Yeah.
Is this clear?
Yes, it is, Big Brother.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
Big Brother, I'd like to nominate Thandeka and Mmeli. Thandeka, because she makes my stay here, and I think other housemates can attest to that, for them personally, unbearable. She's mean, she can be a bully, and for the longest time I've always been trying to defend her because I had hope that, you know, there's some good in her, but clearly there's no good in Thandeka. She's just a very, very mean person. So Thandeka. And Mmeli, you can't get rid of Tom and leave Tim. I think he's also going to nominate me, Big Brother. Like I said before, he's one person in the house that I don't have any sort of friendship with, and he's aware of that. I think the feeling is mutual as well. So I'll nominate Thandeka and Mmeli.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Thandeka and Mmeli, Big Brother.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
Noted.
Is this clear?
Noted, Big Brother, it's clear.
One is Bravo B. The second one is Udaton. Reason being is that I feel like they are liked in the house, so that will leave them sitting down. So people will be, well, they won't think about nominating them. So that's the reason I'm giving for both of them, Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Bravo B and The Don.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
Well
Is
noted.
this clear?
Well noted, Big Brother. Sorry.
We have come to the end of your nomination session.
My nominations are Thandeka and Mmeli, Big Brother. Thandeka, it's the same reason for every week, Big Brother. I cannot live with this girl in the same house. And even if she doesn't go home, she must feel the pain and stand up. And with Mmeli, it's also the same reason. I feel like if they are the same person, it still doesn't make sense. If you're actually a nice person, you don't sit around bad people. So if you sit around them, that means you're one of them. So they must flock out of the house together, Big Brother.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Thandeka and Mmeli, Big Brother.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house. Is this clear?
Yes, Big Brother.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
Thank you.
I don't want to nominate people that are already nominated. I'll go for Thandeka and Mmeli. Reason being, okay, with Thandeka, I think, everyone in the house complains about her. She's rude, and she bullied my friend. She bullied my friend twice now, and I don't like that, obviously. With Mmeli, I think it's because, as a man in a relationship, if you see your girl doing the wrong things, you need to reprimand her. And last week Sunday, when she was poking King Wanda, Mmeli was also laughing. So I don't understand that relationship, but yeah.
Confirm your nominations for Big Brother.
Thandeka and Mmeli.
You were not to discuss your nominations with anyone during your stay in the Big Brother house.
Noted.
Is this clear?
Noted, Big Brother.
No worries, Big Brother. Big Bros.
Mmeli.
Yes, Big Brother.
Is this clear?
Yes, Big Brother. Clear.
We have come to the end of your nomination session. You may now leave the diary room.
Sharp, Big Brother.
The nomination process is complete. Will the following housemates stand? The Dawn. Liema. King Wanda. Trixie. Didi,
That's not finished.
Bravo B, Q, Thandeka, Mmeli,
Because I already know.
At least one housemate.
Housemates.
Yes, big brother.
At least one of the nominated housemates may be evicted on Sunday during the live eviction show. Remember, you were not permitted to campaign for votes or talk about your perceived voters. This is a punishable offense. Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
we have come to the end of tonight's live nominations. At least one of the nominated housemates face possible eviction this Sunday. As you were